install at Chris's house. Mr. DIY. We're going to the shed. We're getting the jack, ramps, everything, so we can get this car up, take off the old exhaust, put the new one right on. Alright guys, here it is. We're installing the UUC exhaust. I can't wait. This is stock exhaust startup. Don't mind how low it's hanging. It's got a good tone when it starts, but it just doesn't make any noise. You know, you need that noise. Guys, UUC exhaust. Oh, Chris, this is quality. Wow. Yeah. Like with any 22-year-old car, bolts are rusted on and not coming out.
2 hours later.
This thing sucks. Don't get me crying, man. Don't get me crying. What's up, man? Oh, shit. Keep going. Oh, my arms. Let it burn. I just said let it burn. Rest. I should have said let it burn. I hope it's really good to get something. Oh, yeah. No problem. This is no problem. Alright, we're gonna spray again and wait like 5 minutes. Let's wait 5 minutes. Nice. Best part of the day. Alright guys, these are the components of the Turner exhaust gasket kit. So anytime you buy a new exhaust, they expect you to buy these. It's a good idea. So we're replacing everything, and I'm changing all the rubber gaskets, including these, because they all broke. And the funny reason why I'm changing everything is because, well, I only need to change this because the stock exhaust is fine, but we won't tell my wife that. But my exhaust actually fell off the hanger, and then it started literally dangling on the road, and that was for about half a mile, which is terrible. But I got it home. It was pretty shady, but everything was okay. And then ultimately I decided just to change the exhaust because I'm gonna get the kit anyway. So might as well, since we're already down there, do the whole thing. So let's see what it sounds like afterwards. Oh. Okay. That can stop it. We're trying to put the heat shield on this exhaust if it works. If not, whatever. But that's the old exhaust, and that's the new one. These are. Dude, who needs heat shield? But I think we need heat shield. That's just more sound deadening. Let's go. Let's go. Let's set it up. The exhaust off, might as well do the obligatory muffler delete start up. Oh. Whoa, I kind of like it. Dude, I might just stick a muffler at the end of this. I'm done. What's that? Oh, because you're only on that side.
Yo, why is it only coming on one side?
Because he's on the pipes already.
This thing just smoking. What's he doing in there?
We'll switch left. I mean, 4 more bolts. And then you see goes up. And then we're gonna make some noise, kids. Or adults. Look at that. Little artistic effect. Oh, yeah. Alright. We're ready. Let her idle. Nice. great tone already. All right, let's give it a little bit. Very nice, dude.
Rev it up.
Sick, bro. Guys, the tone of the UUC exhaust, if anyone is wondering if they should do the UUC exhaust, do not hesitate. Buy it when they have a sale because they give a good ass deal shipped, and get it because it honestly transforms the car's sound, and it's not a nasty raspy sound. It's a beautiful deep bassy sound, and it's awesome. I'm like so happy with the way it sounded now, and honestly, I drive it to work every day. I'm happy now. Let's check it out. There's some burbles at the bottom.
All right.